Huge shout out to Ringke for sending me a review kit that I put up for all of you to watch. An unboxing of that review kit and showing you a couple cases that was in that box, and also these film screen protectors. So what we're gonna do is get into this box here. Let me open it over here with my box knife and quickly go through the process. And that's what that looks like.
This way. And I don't even know how this opens up. Maybe it's like this.
Alright, we'll put that over here. We want this piece right here. Alright. Got your microcloth, your alcohol prep wipe, 2 screen protectors. All this information will be down below in the comment section, and we have the Ringke matte clear case. Put that over there, 20% off your next purchase over at Amazon. Telling you, man, take advantage of the savings here. There's a lot going on over at Amazon with Ringke products. And protective film removal guide. Just like that. Beautiful. Got protection for my investment. Huge shout out to Ringke. Okay. Got your squeegee, cardboard there that is going to smooth out the screen protector, film screen protector, over my OnePlus 7 Pro. And you want to put that, okay, so this piece comes off of there like that. Okay, so I'm thinking you go like this. Very simple, very easy. All right. So up top, there's a number 1 here, a number 2, number 4. The number 3 is actually down here. So I'm assuming we peel off number 1 first, which is going to lay down on the display. Okay. Well, it looks like I did a good job. Now, there might be some air bubbles, but they will disappear on their own, so don't force them out. They will go away. So now let's grab the Ringke matte clear case, our plastic polycarbonate material. We got a cutout there for the cameras and flash, huge cutout. TPU material as well, nice and flexible at the bottom and up top, but right in here it's going to be a little more on the stiff side because that's that hard plastic material. And so then what I want to do is give a nice little wipe down. I will be bringing in a skin. And what I like about this area here, it's going to expose the cameras and flash, but it's going to cover up that aluminum metal slab there to protect that area. And yes, I love it. Look at that. A lot of lip protection at the bottom and up top and the corners. A little bit of lip action on the sides. but most of it's going to be right in here and right up here. And you got a receding area right there for the combo earpiece and speaker. So plenty of lip, whether you're going this way on a flat surface or if the surface is a little bit rough. Anything beyond that, use your discretion. The same if you're going to lay it on its back. Okay? Very nice. At the bottom left-hand side, you have a couple little cutouts there for a Ringke lanyard that you can find over at Amazon or the Ringke website. You have 3 cutouts, one for the speaker grill, one for the USB Type-C charging port, and one right there for the mic up top, cutout for the other mic. On the right hand side, got the power button, volume rocker, and a couple other little cutouts there so you can sport a lanyard on the right hand side as well. Power button works really well, and fingerprint reader is freaking fast. Volume rocker works great. All right. And now for wireless charging. Boom, just like that. Let's do that again. All right. I love it when everything works. And with that, thank you so much for watching. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase this case and screen protector will be down below in the description area. Again, a huge shout out to Ringke. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out.